In this video I will show you a test between a 200 megabits per second Extreme Pro from Sandisk and an older version of the Sandisk Extreme Pro, the 95 megabits per second. Which one you think is faster? Okay, let's look at the cards. There is something suspicious about the 256 though. The writing on it, it doesn't have that golden shine on it, even though I got it from a trusted shop. Still there is something doesn't look right. Maybe because it's newer, they're trying to save money on the packaging, use less expensive ink. The package, if you see the unboxing, I'll put a link in the description. The package did have the golden writing on it, but not on the card itself. Everything else looks the same. The writing on the back, yeah, even the way I drop it, I dropped the new one. Yeah, this is what happens usually. Something you like gets damaged easily. So let's check the cards and see which one is faster, which one is slower. One disclaimer: the card reader I have is not a really new card reader. I'll get a newer one soon, but the speed they advertise, the 200 megabits per second, they say you can get it in their Pro card reader, the SD and MicroSD, which is it has a special way of working with the card to reach that speed. Not any other card reader, especially not from a third-party manufacturer. Here I use the Transcend card reader, so it's a bit limited here, but yeah, this is what you would expect. If you have your average generic, this is still a USB 3.0 or 3.2.
Bit slow.
I'm not sure. Yeah, it was a bit slow. Read speed 97 megabits per second. Megabytes per second. And if you see the write speed also, it's about 80 something, 89. So yeah, a better card reader would help to increase the speed a little bit.
USB 3.0.
I'm gonna try another one from Kingston soon, but still it's reaching at least 90 megabytes per second to copy the files. For me, the most important here is the read speed, because the write speed is in the camera itself. I use this in the camera to write the files and then to read them on the computer. As a comparison, this is the second test from the front panel connector. I was thinking maybe that USB hub I was using is slowing things down. It's most likely it could do that. For comparison, this is the 95 megabytes per second, 64 giga card, and this is another extreme card, 60 megabytes per second, only 32 giga the size. Just to compare the read and write speed in case it's needed by someone. I mean, even this card works in the Lumix S5, this one. Thanks for watching. Watch the next one.